Hey, so I'm in Florida with the family at this nature's whatever marine science center, and it's really cool. They got a lot of turtles and stuff and stingrays, but check this out. This is a perfect demonstration of as above, so below. We got 28 little notches on the outside of the turtle shell. Uh-oh, my phone's gonna die. And then 13 little sections, perfectly corresponding to the lunar calendar. And it's not just one species either. It's common across species. So, evolution is a crock, as above, so below rules the day.